this video we will see class 6 chapter 19 maths question number 4. Question number 4, here you have to evaluate means you have to, by doing addition or subtraction, you have to find the value. Here it is given 6a and here is minus 6a, minus 5a, minus 2a. Before doing addition or subtraction, find out whether these are like terms or not. So here is a, here is a, here is a, here is a. Yes, these are like terms, so they will get add or subtract. So first of all, select these two. 6a minus a will be 5a and minus 5a as it is minus 2a as it is. Now 5a minus 5a will be 0 and minus 2a. So the answer is minus 2a. Yes. Now come to second one. See, here is b, here is b, here is b, here is b. Yes, all are like terms, so they will get add or subtract. Is equal to 2b minus 3b will be minus b, and here is minus b and plus 4b. Minus b and minus b. In front of b nothing is written, it means 1 is written. Don't think that in front nothing is written means 0 is written. No, it is not so. So minus 1 and minus 1 will become minus 2b and plus 4b. Okay, then minus 2 and plus 4 will become plus 2b. This is the answer. In this you may have little bit confusion. Don't get confused. One more time I am explaining. Minus 1 and minus 1 is there. Suppose this one minus 1b is there. When two negative numbers are there, we are doing addition but we are putting the sign of minus. So here add these numbers will get add up, answer is coming 2, but sign will be of minus. Yes. Okay. This subtraction you can understand by like this. One example, suppose you have taken 1 rupees borrow from your friend. Here is you and you have borrowed 1 rupees from your friend. आपने अपने फ्रेंड से 1 रुपीज़ उधार लिया है, ठीक है. तो आपको जब 2 रुपीज़ दिए जाएंगे तो उसमें से आप ये 1 रुपीज़ को माइनस करेंगे. यस, जो आपने बोरो लिया है वो आपका बैलेंस होता है माइनस में. जो आपने बोरो लिया है वो आपका बैलेंस है माइनस में. तो जब आपने बोरो लिया था तब आपका बैलेंस था -1. जब आपको 2 रुपीज़ मिल गया तो ये -1 उसमें से माइनस हो गया एंड देन योर बैलेंस इज अगेन -1 रुपीज़. ठीक है, आपने एक फ्रेंड से -1 रुपीज़ बोरो लिया तो आपका बैलेंस हो गया -1. फिर से आपने एक और फ्रेंड से 1 रुपीज़ बोरो लिया, ठीक है, तो आपका टोटल बैलेंस कितना हो गया? -2 रुपीज़ हो जाएगा. मतलब जब आपको 2 रुपये मिलेंगे तो आपको 2 रुपये देने पड़ेंगे, तो आपका टोटल बैलेंस 0 हो जाएगा. 2 टाइम्स बोरो विल गेट ऐड. आपने 2 टाइम्स बोरो लिया और वो ऐड हो गया, -2 हो गया. सिमिलरली -1 एंड -1 विल बिकम -2. देन अगेन here -1 and plus 4. When one number is in negative and one number is positive, yes, one number is negative, one number is positive, that in that case we are doing subtraction always. We are doing subtraction. 4 में से 2 subtract करके लिख देंगे answer is coming 2. And then you have to decide whether this 2 will be positive or negative. Then come back to this. This is smaller, this is greater. The greater number is having positive sign, so the answer will have positive sign. आंसर के साथ उसी नंबर का साइन लगेगा जो नंबर यहाँ पे बड़ा है. And here 4 is the greater number and 4 is having plus sign. So in answer also plus sign. Okay. So in this way plus 2b is the answer. Now come to next one. All the terms is having variable x means all are like terms, they can be added or subtracted. So here 3 minus 2 will be 1x minus 4x plus 7x. Then 1 minus 4 will be minus 3x plus 7x. Then again minus 3 and plus 7. We will do subtraction. So on subtracting we are getting answer 4. See which number is greater, 3 or 7? 7 is greater, so this answer is of plus. Okay. So here my plus 4x is the answer. Now come to next one. AB, 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 AB. All are having variable AB, means they are like terms. Okay. 5AB plus 2AB will become 7AB minus 6AB plus AB. 7 minus 6 is only 1AB plus AB. Now in front of this nothing is written, means 1 is written. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2AB. This is the answer. Yes, I hope you understood. Now come to this. This is x, y, this is y, this is x, this is y. Can you find any like terms here? Yes, I can see these two are like terms. Other are not like terms. So I will write other terms as it is 8x minus 3x minus these two are, sorry, here is y. Then 5y plus 10y. 8xy minus 3x, here is minus 5 and plus 10. One is negative, one is positive. So we will do subtraction. 10 minus 5, I am getting, simply 10 minus 5 also we can write. So here is 5 and y, this one is positive, so answer will also be positive. So this is the answer of last one. I hope you understood how to evaluate. If any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Bye bye and see you in the next video.